I think she likes her collar. She wants you to stroke her bum. Stroke her bum. That's what she wants.
Why?
She's just that type of dog. She wants a good rub.
You like your collar, yeah? She definitely loves that collar.
Give her bum a rub. She wants her bum rubbed.
Pardon?
Give her bum a rub. She wants a rub. Oh, yes. Lovely. Tasha just wants sweets. Come on then, guys. Some supper.
And this.
Rub her bum. She wants her bum rubbed. Oh, really hard. Oh.
Really hard.
Do her back on her back.